I'm going to admit it's not easy. I had to go digging today, but we found them, not to fear. AutoZone. So this stock is down 5% right now, even though third quarter sales were better than expected, boosted primarily by growth in the car parts retailers' domestic business. It's really the international sales growth that's disappointing investors. Growth there in Mexico and Brazil up 1.6%, but Wall Street was looking for better. It's been disappointing for the past few years. So Wall Street was hoping that last quarter was going to be the quarter, that they were going to come out and actually beat the street. They did not. Revenue, $4.8 billion, just about in line with estimates, actually fell below some of the more optimistic forecasts out there on Wall Street. Same store sales, though, increased 5.5% from the prior year. But an analyst over at TD Cowen, even before this report came out, said that AutoZone faces a mixed setup with foreign currency headwinds and margin pressures. And we saw that here. He said that if they opened up more of these mega hub stores, have you seen these mega hubs? Sure. On the roads? Yeah, well, like on the right off the highway is usually where they are. He said that should help increase inventory availability and speed up delivery to customers the more they open.
Here's the crazy stat. The average age of a passenger car in the United States, 14 years old.
What?
I had no idea that was
Where are you getting this information, Paul?
I'm getting it from the intraweb thing.
Okay, well then
AI
it must
overview.
be true.
Google, thank you.
We haven't done enough on this. We should do, like into the autumn, we should do like a whole auto update.
I mean, Joe's Autos in Manasquan parking lot is packed with cars he's working on. Packed. Wow. It's unbelievable.
See, I just wonder how many people DIY their cars, which is where an AutoZone sort of comes in.
Yep.
I like to just roll it into the place and say, take care of it.
What's the insurance on a $100,000 or $120,000 car?
Oof. Yeah.
It's like a big check every month.
Yep, absolutely.
Well, you know what? I'm going to switch it up, control room. Sorry, guys. I'm going to go with Ferrari now. Nice. I know I said
Can she
Eli
do
Lilly.
that?
It's just a better segue.
She's a player.
To the
How
whole
come she
AutoZone.
gets to tell the control room what to do, but I don't? Next.
Size on my side. All right, Ferrari. I love their ticker symbol, of course, RACE, R-A-C-E, down more than 3%. Guys, critics are panning its first fully electric vehicle, the Ferrari Luce. And I think in Italian we would say luce. Luce, no, but it's light.
Okay.
Like dolce is sweet.
Dolce is
Come on,
sweet.
okay.
See how our hands do the Italian.
You gotta
whole
speak
Greek
with the
thing
hands
going.
when you speak of the Italian.
Yep.
All right, so this was designed by Apple's former head of design, and it's coming under a lot of criticism for looking just like everything else out there. In fact, one analyst went as far as to say it's a mix between a Honda Accord EV and a Tesla 3. Okay, at $640,000, that's a rough comparison.
Yeah.
But
when I'm buying a Ferrari, I know exactly what I want to get, and that's probably not it. I want
Ferrari EV, yeah.
I want it loud, very cool looking, like Matt Miller would drive,
There you go.
Yep.
Lamborghini and Porsche,
Yes.
they put their EV, aspirations on hold.
Good.
So Ferrari's out there with this Luce, and we'll see what they do.
You got one more, or is that it?
I do. No, I do have one more, and it's Eli Lilly agreeing to buy 3 vaccine developers in a deal worth as much as $4 billion. All 3 of them are privately held companies, but this is going to mark the drug maker's re-entry into the infectious disease space. And so analysts say this could be a way for Eli Lilly to expand beyond those lucrative obesity drugs.
Right.